Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to hide online on WhatsApp. WhatsApp online status and last seen tell your contacts whether you're online or offline and the last time you used the app. When you're online, it means you have WhatsApp running in the background or are connected to the internet. Sometimes the status can show online, but you haven't read the messages. Last seen is the last time you used WhatsApp, although you can control who can see your last seen. On your WhatsApp app, click the three dots at the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Now click on Privacy. Under the Privacy, you will see here who can see my personal information. Tap on Last Seen and Online. If you want to see your last seen, click on Nobody. And if you want to see when you're online, click the bottom same as last seen. If you don't share your last seen and online, you won't be able to see others people last seen and online. And that's all, so very simple. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.